Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, is and GE Aerospace is about to finalize the agreement of manufacturing of the F414 jet engines in India. These engines will be manufactured at Bangalore in HAL factory. The production efforts of local manufacturing of the F414 engine in India is very crucial for Indian Air Force's upcoming fleet of Tejas IInd and AMCA AIst aircraft. Once the agreement is finalized, HAL aims to produce the first made-in-India F414 engine within 3 years. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is setting up manufacturing unit with capacity of 30 F414 engine annually. It will be significant milestone in India's self-reliance efforts in defense production. According to the agreement between Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and GE, around 80% components of F414 engine will be manufactured in India, with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited developing specialized capabilities to meet this requirement. This local production marks a strategic leap, aligning with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative and aiming to reduce dependency on foreign imports for critical defense technology. The initial contract with GE Aerospace covers the production of 99 F414 engines, tailored to meet the immediate needs of the Tejas IInd program. As the IAF plans to procure 120 Tejas IInd jets and an additional 40 AMCA AIst jets, demand for these engines is expected to increase, potentially doubling orders by 2028. This scaling strategy aligns with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's roadmap to meet future requirements, anticipating the production of at least 200 engines by 2035. Beyond initial deliveries, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's production facility will continue to manufacture F414 engines over the coming decades to ensure a steady supply of spare engines and parts for the Tejas IInd and AMCA fleets. HAL estimates that an additional 360 engines will be required over the next 40 years to sustain the operational readiness and longevity of the Indian Air Force's fleet. This long-term vision will not only support India's military preparedness but also drive technology transfer and skill development in the domestic aerospace sector.